Hello and welcome to Swansway Honda Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this RAC Approved Toyota C-hr. This Toyota C-hr is finished in white and is powered by a 1.8 petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. Into the boot and you'll find a rubber mat and plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, this space can be extended with all the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests, as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as full leather seats for comfort. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to cruise control, lane assist, speed limiter, as well as voice command, hands-free and volume control. The partially digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured display provides access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth and radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in those tight spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for the colder months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, USB connection, the gear selector, electronic handbrake, cup holder and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team.